Spurious temperatures happen. People wear hats, beanies, protective equipment, and other types of forehead occlusions that could cause them to warm up enough to trigger real-time alerts on temperature results despite being healthy. Whoever needs to address those alerts then can't distinguish whether the alert triggered for a reason that's meaningful or if it's one of these results without the help of something like NeuroVision in the mix. In this event that I'm showing you now, I'm approaching the camera after wearing a hat for a while. But instead of NeuroVision showing only the highest temperature result, what we show now underneath each event is a progression of each temperature result we received from the camera while the individual remained in frame. So in situations like this one, you can see me quickly cool off to normal levels, and therefore whoever needs to check this result or address these type of alerts can now distinguish between what's meaningful and what's not.